Hey everybody, so welcome to Abigail's Kitchen and Lifestyle. As promised, I have the third carrot recipe. I must say it has taken so long for me to get back here, but here I am. So I had some carrot and I thought of doing carrot soup, but the only way to make it a little bit starchier, because carrots don't have starch, so they're not very I'm not getting the word, but the pumpkin would add a starchiness to it, just so that it can hold its shape, if soup had shape. Yeah, so I just cut the carrots and the pumpkin into chunks. I put some paprika. I was making it up as I was going. Paprika, salt, and black pepper. That's all I did. And then I took a whole clove of garlic, cut it in half, and then I'm going to also smother it in that mixture of the spices, and then I'll still put it in there. My hands were clean, okay? My hands were clean. I'll put it in the oven together with the carrots and the pumpkin. And it's good to mention that I had also put in a little bit of oil, just so that the spices would find something to stick on, onto the vegetables. So that's what I did. And then the next step was just to put the baking sheet into the oven. Yeah, that was the next thing to do. I think I was washing my hands. I was washing my hands there for a while. Yes. So the next thing to do is put it in the oven and then roast them. And then now I'll bring them out and then I'll show you what to do next. There were some cakes that we had baked. I had made some banana bread, sugar-free, no sugar additive. The banana was the sugar, yeah. We didn't add sugar on this. And then I put oats just to give it a beautiful appearance at the top. See, looks good. Unfortunately, I don't know what I did to my camera. It wasn't focusing well. It was very blurry. So forgive me for that, and I think it will be even more blurry on this next one. I don't know what I touched. There must have been something I touched and spoiled the whole thing. So this shot was really blurry. And I didn't notice it until I was done. So the only thing that was left to do now was to blend. I had to peel off the pumpkin and then put everything in the blender. I used half the, half the garlic, yeah, and then blend everything. And then I thought, what can I do to make it even taste better? And I'll show you that as I go. So I removed the garlic from the peel. Please don't use the peel. Just use the garlic, right? So that's food for the chicken, the peels that I left. Yeah, so I had hey, I'm telling you, living with neighbors, good neighbors are good. So I didn't have any coconut, and I thought it would be good to have some coconut. So I got coconut from my neighbor. Yeah, so she had some coconut powder, which I added to my and she's a friend. Okay, she's a friend. I added to my mixture there. Give it another taste. Yeah, I blended my soup. It was a bit thick, but it was okay. Put some water, and then put it on the stove just to warm it up. It wasn't for cooking, it was just for warming. So at some point I thought, let me think of a garnish, and I thought of onions because I love onions. So I tried to brown some onions, but for some reason, I don't know what happened, they got burnt. Okay, I don't know where I was concentrating on something else. They were burnt. Okay, not really burnt, but burnt. Yeah. So I used them as a garnish. Please don't burn your onions like I did. Just use really browned onions. And then I had some chili on the side there that I had pickled chili and garlic. And then I add it to my soup, and then that's it. If you want to make it more classy, flashy, you can drizzle some olive oil or drizzle some coconut oil. So that's the third recipe. Goodbye.